Hey y'all, so I have this Lindbergh Miniature Mint Collection 2 model kit. It's plastic. Says no painting necessary, no glue needed, easy assembly, chrome parts, even comes with 2 miniature motorcycles. Now I am planning on selling this just because they're pretty rare. These were made in 1990 here in Toledo, Ohio. Not that I live in Toledo, Ohio, but made in Toledo, Ohio. Um, and I honestly do not remember seeing these before. May have and just never paid attention to it, but I was going to sell this because I thought it was brand new, never opened. And then as I was flipping the box around, looking at this, that, and the other, I realized that this has been opened before and somebody taped it shut. So before I even try to sell this thing, I want to make sure that everything is in here and it's complete. So we're going to pop her open here. And so far, everything looks like it's still in the bags. Maybe. Okay, those are screws, so I guess they screw together. It looks about Matchbox car size. Corvette's green. According to the box, it's supposed to be red, but it's green. Looks like there's just about everything in there to paint it with. Got a little motorcycle in there. And then there should be another one in here, yes. And got some instructions. Oh, there's the tires. So we got the instructions. They look pretty quick and easy, pretty simple. And again, does it say 90? I don't see a year in here. But yeah, that's all the instructions, put them together. Came with 2 sets of tires. Looks like the tires are pretty much the same on both of them. And then the truck is yellow. Is it yellow on the box? Yes, it's yellow on the box too. So the truck is yellow. Doesn't look like a very good. A lot of the details not the greatest. Do they have a ladder rack or something in it? Okay, it's got push bar or roll bar in the top in the bed. That explains why it's got 2 slots in the bed of the truck. Okay, and then this one comes with a green motorcycle. Okay, see, we got chrome parts, steel axles. So yeah, it's not a bad set. They're a little smaller than like a normal diecast, so that car is a little bigger than the truck, so I'd say these are, I don't know, 170, 180 scale or something, maybe 190, I don't know. It doesn't say anywhere on the box the scale size. Yeah, it's a pretty good set. This set's worth about $30 on the internet, so like I said, I wanted to make sure everything was in here before I tried to sell it. I'm surprised that they shows it a red Corvette on the box, but it's a green one in the package. That's not too big of a deal though. Although they show numbers on the side of the motorcycles and like they're painted up, you know, like real bikes, but you see here, they're definitely not. It says no painting required, so that's kind of false advertisement, huh? They show mirrors on that truck, and I can tell you now, no mirrors come with that truck. Try to scoot this around. The only chrome parts you get are the 4 rims and the grill. Like I said, this shows a roll bar on the top, shows mirrors. There's none of that crap in here. That's false advertisement there, Lindbergh. Oh, okay, no, there's the roll bar. But it's black. It's molded in with the bottom of the chassis. I know seeing that plastic is not easy to see. But I don't see any mirrors in here. See a steering wheel, the interior, the roll bar. I'm guessing that's the windshield. Yeah, I don't see any mirrors in here anywhere. So that kind of sucks. What about the Corvette? See, the Corvette looks like it has tail lights, the rims, and I'm not exactly sure what this is. That's part of the engine or what that is. Chassis. Yeah, there's not much to these. Yeah, like I said, I wanted to open these up, make sure everything was in here before I tried to sell it. I guess I don't know why they give you so many extra screws. Oh, correct screws enclosed. Do not use any other screws to assemble kit. Does that mean that the screws that come in this bag are no good? I don't get that. So much shorter. Yeah, these are way shorter than the other ones. Get out. Come on, go. Sorry, my dog's bothering me. So yeah, this is a good kit. You know, it's a complete kit. And it doesn't show here on the instructions anything about mirrors, even though it shows the mirrors on the box. So that's kind of false advertisement, but it is what it is. So anyway, that's what I wanted to do, guys. I wanted to take this thing apart and show you, and I mostly wanted to see if all the pieces were here. If anybody's interested, I am working on setting up a new eBay account that I can sell some of these die-cast trucks on, and we can make this a reality. So stay tuned for that. Y'all have a good day. Bye.